So first I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds.
Yeah, I see how these niggas do me. Niggas really crazy, I'm not talking about no foozy. Chopper got a kick, I'm not talking about no Bruce Lee. Smoking on this paper, I'm not talking about no loose leaf. Let's shoot a movie. Yes, I'm in a SRT, I'm zooming. Yes, I'm in first place, I ain't.
So basically what I do is, you go here, I go here. This is the preset name. I don't know what that say. I just put random letters. Basically, you want to go here. If you want to know how to rap, you go here. Let me flip my phone around. Basically, I'm going to let y'all can pause the video if y'all want. I'm going to teach y'all. Just pause it. Get the preset. This is the second one. Space Maker, you need that. This one. After that, you need this. Then you need this. This noise gate, wanna put it to 5. Release 200. Then that shit up. Then you see the thing is with me, it's hard for me to set on my settings because this right here, the little LP filter, that shit barely work. I can't even put that shit together because it keeps slipping up. Pause. Anyway, if y'all want to know what the song is, it's called Space Jam. Link in the bio.